Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss here problem solving of exercise 9.2. This exercise is a very important exercise. Today is the third lecture on this exercise. Today I am taking question number 9. Question number 9 here. The sum of n terms of two arithmetic progressions are in the ratio 5n plus 4 ratio 9n plus 6. Find the ratio of their 18th term. First of all, you will read the question very carefully. What things are given or what things you find. Here two AP is given, not single AP. Here in this question, question number 9 is the very important and different type questions. In this question, two AP is given, not single AP. Like suppose A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus dash dash AN. The sum of this AP is SN1. Sum of this AP is SN1. And suppose second AP is B1 plus B2 plus B3 dash 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 BN. The sum of this AP is SN2. Here sum of n terms. Here mentioned already given sum of n term of two arithmetic progression. Two arithmetic progressions. Means first arithmetic progression A1, A2, A3 and AN. The sum of this arithmetic progression SN1 and sum of 2n, the second arithmetic progression here B1 plus B2 plus B3 dash BN. Then sum of this arithmetic second progression is SN2. Very simple things. The first will be identification how many arithmetic progression here given. Here two arithmetic progression given. And the ratio of this means SN1 ratio SN2 already given here 5n plus 4 ratio 9n plus 6. The value of this SN1 and SN2, these two values are given here. And what you find here, find the ratio of their 18th term. After that means you will find here A1 plus T18, you will find the T18 first and second T18, both the T18, A18. So you will find the both the term. 18 term of first AP or 18 term of the, to mention here A18 upon B18. You will be find of this A18 upon B18. Both these find the ratio of their 18 term. It means 18 term of the first AP or 18 term of the second AP. What the ratio of the both the 18? What the ratio of the both the 18 terms? You can mention here. This is a very simple thing to understand again. Then start the solutions. First of all, what things are given? SN1 ratio SN2 equal to 5n plus 4 ratio 9n plus 6. Means SN1 means 5n plus 4, SN2 means 9n plus 6. And what you find here, you will finding here 18th term, 18th ratio of the 18 terms, ratio of 18 terms you will find here. So now first of all mention this way. So now Sn upon Sn2 equal to 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. According this way, what value of the Sn? You write the identity. Suppose this AP A1 plus n upon 2, 2A1 plus n minus 1 D1. And suppose you can write n upon 2, here you mention A2 plus n minus 1 D2. This equal 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. Here A1, A2 or their series are A2. Means first term of this series is A1, first term of this second series A2. Then you can common difference of the first series D1, common difference of the second series is D2. According this you mention, and the n by 2 will be cancelled here. What is left here? 2a1 plus n minus 1 d1, and here 2a2 plus n minus 1 d2. 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. According this way, 2a1 plus n minus 1 d1, 2a2 n minus 1 d2, so 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. After that you taking the 2 common here. In this you taking 2 common here. What is the left here? a1 plus n minus 1 upon 2, and taking you 2 common also here, a2 plus n minus 1 here d1, this is the d2 upon 2 equal to 5n plus 4 and 9n plus 6. Now look here, in this AP, first AP you are taking 2 common here. What is left here? A1 plus n upon 1 minus upon 2. Similarly you are taking here 2 common here. What is left here? A2 plus n minus 1 upon 2 d2. This is d1, this is d2, this is a1, this is a2 and 2 here. This a1 will be cancelled here. So what is the left here? This is the left here, a1 plus n minus 1 upon 2. This is the d1 upon a2 plus n minus 1 upon 2. This is the d2, and 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. This is the equation first. Means this 2 and this 2 is cancelled. Rest work here same here, and you mention here this is the equation first. This is the equation here first. After what things you find here? You will find here the 18th term. Means T18. You are finding here T18 now. You are finding the T18 term here. Now A1 plus 18 minus 1 D1 upon A2 plus 18 minus 1 D2. What will be the term? A1 plus 17 D1 upon A2 plus 17 D2. After solving, means 18 term is here you will find the ratio of their 18th term. What is the ratio of the 18th term? The 18th term of the first series A1 plus 18 minus 1 D1. 18th term of the second series A2 plus 18 minus 1 D2. What's after solving you get the A1 plus 17 D1 or A2 plus 17 D2. You will equating this to what value of A1 here? A1, D1 here, D1. For n minus 1 in this place, n minus 1 upon 2 here, mention here 17. Same thing, A2 here, A2 here, D2 here, D2 here, but n minus 2 mention here 17. It means then n minus 1 upon 2 equal to 17. So what will be your n minus 1 equal to 17 into 2, n equal to 34 plus 1 equal to 35. So value of the n equal to 35. Means what value of you putting the here n, you get the 18th term here. Means you will putting the value of the n here 35. How to find the value of the n? You equating in equation first and this here. You equating this a1 and n minus 1 2 here 17. Then equating this here. Equating here n minus 1 upon 2 equal to 17. Then you get the value of the n equal to 35. Then you putting the value in equation first. Then you will get the correct answer of the ratio of the 18th term. You note down it, then we will complete this test work. Yes, students. So then you will, this value will putting the equation first, you will get the correct answer. So now from equation first, a1 plus what value of the n place, you will putting the value of 35. 35 minus 1 upon 2 d1 upon a2 plus 35 upon 2 d2 equal 5 into 35 plus 4 upon 9 into 35 plus 6. Both sides, left side and right side, you will put in the value of n is 35. Left side n is 35 or right side n is 35. Then after that you calculate here a1 plus 17 d1 upon a2 plus 17 d2. 35 minus 1 34, 34 by 2 is 17. Same here. Then you multiply here 35 into 5. 5 5 25, carry 2, 5 5 15 to 17. Here 175 plus 4 or here 35 into 9. 9 5 45, carry 4 and 9 is 27, 315 plus 6. 9 5 45 so 5, carry 4 and 9 is 27. 27 plus 4 31, so 915. So now you add this and you get the correct answer. So now 179 upon 321. That is 21. The value of the a1 plus 17 d1 upon a2 plus 17 d2. This is your answer. The ratio of the, what ratio of the, now you can write a ratio from 1 plus 17 d1 ratio a2 plus 17 d2. What ratio here? 179 ratio 321. You can write answer in the fraction form, otherwise in ratio form, both thing is same. But every question of in this type questions, those are given here, the 2 AP are given and some ratio of the sum of the 2 APs are given here. The ratio of the sum of 2 AP are given 5n plus 4 and 9n plus 6, and then you find the 18th term of this, not sum ratio. This is a particular term of this, and is 18th term of the, what is the 18th term of the first AP and what is the 18th term of the second AP. Then ratio of this AP, not sum ratio. This is only 18th term of ratio. According this way, you will solve every questions. Yes, note down. Then you next question. Yes, then next question I am taking question number 14 questions. Question 14 here, to insert 5 numbers between 8 and 26 such that the resulting sequence is an AP. This is a different type question of the previous questions. Completely different type questions. In this question, you will be insert the 5 numbers between 8 and 26. It means 8 your first number and second number, third number, fourth, first, second, third, fourth number, fifth number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and fifth. So these fifth number and last number you are 26. This is the rough word. So you will be between these 5 number A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Means you can add, otherwise you can add a1 is the first term, but you don't mention here. This is a special condition here कि first number your 8, last number your 26, between you will find the 5 number. In between you will find the 5 number a1, a2, a3, a4, a5 in this, but these number will come in the AP, but these number will come in the AP form. This is the AP form. 8 also and 20, 8 and 26 also in AP. Have these 5 number also in AP. The sequence is the AP. The sequence, every number having the sequence in the AP. So this is the given in the questions. You will find the A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Yes. Now start the solution here. Let 5 numbers are A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. I am taking the 5 number A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. After that, these sequence will be come between this and this number or in sequence in AP. So then then 8, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, 26 are in AP. Means this sequence 8, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A5 and 26 are in AP. This sequence come in the AP form. This sequence come in the AP form. So what value of the A1, A2, A3, A5? You will find it here. Yes. You know कि first number your, what is the value of the A? Value of the A are 8. First number, according to first number A, value of the 8, and last number here, what value of the last number? This is the Tn. This is the value of Tn is 26. Value of the first number is called the A, or value last number is called the An. Yeah, last number is called the Tn. Otherwise you can An, yeah, last number. And what value of you D? D is not find, because if suppose you subtract this and this, the answer will not come. So suppose you subtract this and this, the answer will not come. So you will find the D. And what value of the N here? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your value of N is 7. Count the every number, every term. So first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term. The total term N is 7. So now, so means you will find the first N already given here, and T7. Value of the Tn means T7. You can mention that T7. And what value of the A1, A2, A3 you find? But first of all you find the D also here. D is not given. First of all you find the D here. So then Tn equal to A plus N minus 1D. What value of the Tn means T7 equal to A plus 7 minus 1D. Or what value of T7 is 26. What value of the A is 8 plus 6D. Tn, this is the main, this is the general term of the AP. This is the general term of the AP. General term of the AP here, Tn equal to A plus N minus 1D. N here given is 7. This is the T7. The value of the T7 here 26. Value of the A here given first term is 8. And D you will find here N minus 1 means 7 minus 1 is 6. Subtracting is 26 minus 8 equal to 6D. So 18 equal to 6D. 6 3 is 18. What value of D is equal to 3? The value of D equal to 3. The value of the D equal to here 3. So then you can find here So this is the first term A1, this is the second term A2. Here value of the A2 here, second A plus D. So what value of the A is 8 and what value of the D is 3. The second term here A1 is 11. Similarly A2 general term. What is the general term of the AP here? So the AP here general term, general form is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D dash dash dash. This is the general form. So this is the first term, second term. There is a second number. A is the second number here. A plus D. Second A plus 2D. Putting the value of A and D here. What result come here? 8 plus 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 3 to just 6 or 8, 14. Next A3. First term, second term, third term. Complete fourth term. The fourth term A plus 3D. What value of the A and 3 plus 3? 3 into 3. What value come at? 3 to just 3 is 9 or 8, 17. What difference here? 11 and 3 and 3 plus 14 is correct. Next, A value of the A4 here. I have to count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth term. So the value of the fifth term A plus 4D. 8 plus 4 into 3. So 4 3s are 12 or 8 20. And this is the value of A5. This is the value of the A5 of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 term. A plus 5D. 8 plus 5 into 3. 23. So this value of the A1 here 11. Value of the A2 here 14. Value of the A3 here 17. Value of the A4 here 20. Value of the A5 here 23. And you check these all numbers are coming in AP form. What difference between here? 3. Difference here 3. Difference here 3. Difference here 3. So these A1, A2, A3, A4, 5 are in AP. The sequence come in the AP. The sequence come in the AP here. Or every sequence come in their AP. Yes. Note down it. Means you will suppose you maintain AP here. How to maintain it? 8. Second year you maintain 11. Third year 14. Fifth year 17. Next year 20. Or next year 23. Or last year 26. This is sequence coming in the AP. This AP here come in this form. Yes, you note down the answer this way. Otherwise in this way. Same thing. 8 and 26 already given here. So value of A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. You are mentioned here. Then you get the answer here. Yes. First of all, every question in this type questions, those having the 5, insert the 5 numbers, insert the 5 numbers, yeah, 6 numbers, yeah, 7 numbers, yeah, 10 numbers, and sequence will become in the AP, and between here any number here 8 and 26, yeah, 5 and 26, yeah, 10 and 100, any number are given. So then you will solve according this way. Every question solve according this way, and this is the general form of the AP. This is the general form of the AP. What is the general form of AP here? First term A, second is called A plus D, third is called A plus 2D, and fourth is called A plus 3D, next A plus 4D. According this is called dash dash dash. And this is called the general form of the standard form of the AP. The first term A, this is already will given as 8. Second term here A1, where A plus D, the mention here already mentioned here A plus D. Third next A plus 2D here, next A plus 3D here, A plus 4D here, and next is A plus 5D. Every term here mentioned here. Yes, note down the next.